Learning human machine interface, adding skills by star automation. First we will see what we will learn in this video. This is a developed application with 4 screens, and these are the buttons for navigation from one screen to another screen. And this is the small application that we will learn to develop in this tutorial video. First of all, we will open the software for HMI, and this is XT-Build software, and we will start creating a new project. We will first select the HMI model that we are using in this tutorial, and after selecting we will click finish button. This is a software for developing HMI screens, and first of all I will introduce you to the interface of this software. You see here we have screens and project tab. This is a screen tab and this is a project tab. At the project tab we have text tables, recipes, scripts, history, alarms, various all the features are basically there in the project tab. And in the screen tab we have base screens and window screen. Here we will create screens but first of all we will save this project by some name, and let this be a test project 1. So we will save this project as test project 1, and after that we will start developing screens. And by clicking this options we will add more screens in this. As you can see here we have right now 2 screens. This is the first screen, and after right clicking we can go to the property menu, and from there we can change the name of this screen. From base screen I am changing to home screen, and here we can add description if we wish, but generally it is not required. And this is the background setting of the screen, and here if we will check this option, then we can select the background color of the selected screen. And suppose we have selected this color, and then we can choose pattern also. These are the various patterns available along with the background color. And if we will click here OK, you can see here we have got this red button with a pattern selected. Let us click once again. Let us first once again go to the property of this screen, and the background we can select here background color and other patterns available. This is the script options. See here we can select along with the pattern color we can select here is a image also, image from the computer screen or image from a picture available in our computer laptop. See here I am searching for some image that I can show you. Let us go to the sample library. Here I have selected this image and this has been opened, and let us click OK. So I have selected one image as a background in our home screen. So let us once again go to the property of this screen, and see here this is a name of screen, background. We have these options. These are the scripts that I will tell you in future tutorials, how we can use scripts. So right now we will concentrate on background uh, options. Okay, so we have selected here image as a background, and now see we have created right now we have one screen. This our home screen, and you can set here text. We can add text to this screen so that it is visible that this is our home screen. So I have selected this, and we will look, see we have got the text here, and we will expand it so that home screen option is very clear, and we can place shift at any place in the screen. If we will click the second screen, we will the second screen gets open here, and now we can change second screen properties also by right clicking and going to the property option here, and this is, and we are naming it as a screen 2, and similarly we can select background. Let us select some different background color of screen 2. Let it be this one. We can select foreground and background also, that will be visible in our pattern. Let us click OK, and see here we have got blue background with pattern that we have selected. This is our screen 2. Let us put the text object also here, and we are changing some different font here. You can change font as per your requirement. This is the size of font, and this is the text. Let it be screen 2. For our understanding, we are putting it as a screen 2 here. Let it be bold, underline. So this is a screen 2 text object that we have placed in screen 2. Okay, it is a bit small. We can change to some different font and increasing the text size, so it is now visible screen 2. And if by clicking insert screen options here, we will can add more screens here. The third screen has been placed. Let us click once more, and we will get more screens. So right now we have done created 4 screens, and this is the screen third we are selected, and the same way we will write it here as screen 3, and we will select a background also. Let it be different background for screen third also, and by clicking OK. So in all the cases for screen 3, and actually we have just, this is the screen 4. Right now it is opened here, and if we will click screen 3, we will get the screen 3 open, and if we will click screen 4, we will get screen 4 opened here in this window. So in the same way, right clicking the screen 4 and going to the property option, and here we can in the same way we will write here this is a screen 4, and we will select some different background here. Let it be this one. We can select from this also. So we have collected one different color at screen 4 for our tutorial purpose. Okay, and this is visible here. It has been updated. Now let us put a text object here also, and we will write here at text object as screen 4, so that when we will open this screen, we will come back to know that this is a screen 4. You can change. Let us save this project and see, we are clicking the home screen, we are getting the home screen open. And if we click screen 2, screen 2 gets open, screen 3, and screen 3 gets open, and screen 4. Suppose we can here copy this option screen 4 object text object, and in the screen 3 it is we can paste here because it has been not written there, and we can change here at screen 3. Okay, so in this way also we can write it. Let us save it, and going back to screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, and screen 4. So we have created basically added 4 screens in our project. And now before downloading we have to add buttons also to navigate different screens, and this is the option change screen buttons. Here by selecting this, and in this way we will put it in the screen. And see here we can select this also, which screen it has to open. This be a second screen, this is B2 base screen 2. Here it is written 2 in this box, and in the display tab this is a default. We can have many selections also, but right now let it be here this one also. And in the text we can use caption, check the use caption box, and in the on and off in both the dialog box we will write the text that has to be displayed in the button. So let it be screen 2, and screen 2, and this is the font, higher font size. So we will copy this screen 2, and in the same thing we have to write in the off also, screen 2 on and off in both ways. Okay, and we will click OK. See, screen 2 is written in this button, but its font is small. Let it be. Let us check. So off one is, we have to increase the size of font it, and then click OK. Now it is clear. This is a screen 2. So screen 2 is written in this button, and if we will click here, it will go to the screen 2. Now from the home screen we have to make 3 buttons for various other screens also. We will select copy here this whole thing, and we will paste here by right clicking it. So we have got to, and now we will shift here screen 2, we will double click this one so that the dialog box gets open, and here we will change it to screen 3, and in the text box that was written screen 2 we will change to screen 3, and in off condition also it has to be 3, and clicking OK. So now this button will open up the screen 3 from the home screen. Now we will select this, copy and paste. So now it is here, and now double clicking it we will open it for screen 4, and the text also we will change it to from screen 3 to screen 4 this way. So we have created 3 buttons, screen 2, screen 3 and screen 4 for navigation from home screen. Now let us save it, and what we will do, we have to place all these buttons in different screens. So we will copy whole thing, all the 3 buttons we will copy it, and click the screen 2 option, but this screen 2 has been clicked, and now here we will paste all the three buttons. See, screen 2, these all the three have been placed here, and because this is a screen 2, we don't need screen 2 button. So what we will do, we will change this screen 2 button to screen 1. That was our home screen. Okay, and here we can write this, we have text also, we can change it to home screen, and the same way of one also is home screen. So home screen has been changed. Oh, spelling home, we can edit it. HOME is home. Okay, yeah. So from screen 2 we can go to various other three screens. In the same way we will copy all the three buttons from screen 2, uh, and then we will open the screen 3 and paste here all the three buttons here. Now this is a screen 3, so we don't need screen 3 button. Here we will replace this by screen 2. So we have shifted the number, this one, and here we will change the text, that is screen 2, and click OK. In the same way we will select all the three here also, three buttons, copy it and go to the screen 4, and here we will paste it. And now here we don't need screen 4 because already screen 4 is there. So here we will change it to screen 3, this one button, and in the same way text. So we have created 4 screens and the navigations button, and now what we will do, we will save it and download it, this program, in our HMI by connecting USB cable. So we will go to communication setting, we will select USB communication, and after that we will go to send option. So it here USB has been selected. Okay, and now we will click the send button because I have already connected cable there, and click the download button. So it has started downloading this project in the HMI, and after this we will see the HMI screen here. This is the HMI screen, and when we will download we will see this screen here during the download from laptop, and after downloading we will get this screen, and we will press the start button here so that our program gets open. See, we have created the project and it is running here. This is our home screen, and now we can click these buttons to navigate to different screens. This is screen 2, and if we click screen 3 we will get a screen 3 button screen. So this way we have learned the how to add screens. Thank you for watching.